highly nutritious, sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Promote gut health, may have cancer fighting properties, support healthy vision, may enhance brain function, may support your immune system. Welcome back to a new video from Lively English Content. And you were waiting for a new video from my side. Now I have created this one for you, and I hope that you will get the information. So stick around it and you will know the right way how to cook it at home. So keep watching it and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Sweet potatoes are versatile and nutritious, packing a good amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, and magnesium into each serving. They also have anti-cancer properties and may promote immune function, gut health, brain function, and eye health. Sweet potatoes are sweet, starchy root vegetables that are grown worldwide. They come in a variety of sizes, like some are thin, some are the big one you can see, and you can see the colors including orange, white, and purple, and rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Sweet potatoes also have a connection to eye health, and it all comes down to their abundance of vitamin A. They are an excellent source of these nutrients. Now let's talk about how to cook it. Just wash it properly because they look very dirty. So wash it, and then you don't have to peel it out. Just let it be, and then you will put it in a pan, and then first you have to cut it into small, not very small pieces, but they seems too thicker. Okay, see this. And then you will add half cup of water in it and put it on the flame on medium flame and cook it. When they boiled, you see this is the color they have got soft. Look that, and this, and you see the skin. The skin, it's very important when you boil it, and because you will get the whole nutritions in it, and you peel it out, and then you can serve it, and you will feel that the taste is sweet because they are boiled with the skin. That is the main thing. And you can put it, if you don't want to cook it, you can bake it in oven as well. Okay, so I hope that you like this video. Not to mention about the sweet potato, they provide a number of health benefits and are easy to add to your diet. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.